Namaste, welcome to Havilah Elsha kitchen. These days, even though it's summer, but we see it rains in most places of India, so people feel like having some snacks during this time. So I came up with a special and healthy recipe, that is beetroot cutlet recipe. Okay, let's get started. Take a bowl, add 1 cup of grated beetroot. Now add half cup of chopped onions and half cup of boiled and smashed potato paste. Now add half cup of breadcrumbs and few coriander leaves, half tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, salt as required, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, half tablespoon cumin powder and half tablespoon garam masala, and turmeric half teaspoon. Now mix well. Okay, once you mix it nicely, now add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and half tablespoon of chaat masala. Mix it well and keep this aside. Okay, now take a other bowl, add 1.5 tablespoon of maida and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Okay, now add little pepper and a pinch of salt. Okay, now mix well and then add water. Make this into a slurry batter as shown in the video. Okay, now apply some oil to your hand. Okay, take some dough and give it a shape like a cutlet. Okay, and then dip this in the maida batter. Okay, once you coated it nicely, and then dip in the breadcrumbs and keep this in a plate. Okay, once all the cutlets are ready, now take a pan, add a very little amount of oil and add these patties and shallow fry them on both sides. Fry till they turn into the golden brown color on the both sides. Use only medium flame, not high flame. Okay, yeah, now our cutlets are ready. Now transfer these cutlets into your serving bowl and enjoy with a sauce of choice. That's all, that's easy. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Havilah Elsha Kitchen. And for ingredients and all, check the description box. Bye bye.